everyone, and welcome to the demonstration of our coffee ordering app prototype, a project designed to showcase a seamless mobile ordering experience. Our core objective was to design a complete user journey encompassing secure login, intuitive menu browsing, detailed customization, and efficient payment processing. We begin with the login screen, the critical first step for user authentication. The screen features standard input fields for username and password, along with a forgot password link for recovery. To enhance user convenience, we integrated options for social login using familiar services like GitHub and Google. The login button initiates the authentication process, while the sign up button at the bottom provides a clear path for new users. From a development perspective, the screen requires robust security. We plan to implement secure API endpoints for user authentication, likely using JWTs for session management. Passwords will be securely hashed and salted. The social login buttons will trigger all old flows, simplifying the sign up and login process while managing user state effectively. Upon successful login, the user lands on the Coffee Gallery, our main menu interface. The screen utilizes a clean image-centric grid layout to display available beverages. Each tile clearly shows the product image, name, and product, dominated here in rands. For example, we see coffee at 20 rand and iced matcha latte at 32 rand. The primary function here is browsing. Tapping on any item, such as initial coffee image, navigates the user to customization screen. The screen relies heavily on data fetching. We would use a RESTful API call to retrieve the menu data dynamically. The UI employs a responsive grid system, ensuring optimal display across various mobile screen sizes. Client-side state management will track which item the user has selected before proceeding to the next step. This is the coffee preference screen, which users personalize their order. The screen displays the selected beverage image and title, followed by detailed preference options. These include selection controls for milk types, sweetener choice, and sugar level. We also offer modifiers like extra flavor and extra milk. Crucially, users select the beverage size, small, medium, large, which often impacts the base price. This screen requires complex UI state management. Selections made here, example, choosing medium size, or adding extra milk, must dynamically update the order object in real time. We would use conditional logic to ensure only relevant options are shown, and client-side calculations will be necessary to tally the running cost of the customized drink before it is added to the final order payload. After customizing the drink, we move to the order summary and checkout screen. The screen serves as the final review before purchase. It confirms the selected item and displays the essential delivery and payment information. We see the delivery address, such as 68 Palmerston Road, the delivery date, and the chosen payment method, indicated here as card. The Place Order button triggers the final transaction submission. This stage involves validating user input, particularly the delivery address and date. The application will need to interface with a simulated payment gateway or a real one in production environment. Pressing place order sends a comprehensive JSON payload containing the user ID, customized item details, delivery information, and payment token to the backend API for processing. Success or failure of this API call determines the next screen shown. The order approved screen confirms a successful transaction. The large, clear confirmation message and green checkmark provide immediate positive feedback to the user. This screen signifies that the backend successfully received and processed the order. The user is presented with a clear option to view the digital receipt for their records. This screen is triggered by a successful HTTP response. Example, status code 200. For the order submission API, it acts as a transitional state, confirming state persistence and preparing the user for the receipt view. Finally, we have the digital receipt providing full transparency on the purchase. This receipt mimics the traditional printed receipt format, ensuring clarity and detail. It includes a unique order ID, the date and time of the transaction, and itemized list of all products purchased, including prices. Crucially, it breaks down the financial components, the subtotal, the calculated VAT is 15%, and the final total amount. The payment method and status are confirmed at the bottom. The data displayed here is generated server-side after the order is processed, ensuring accuracy regarding taxes and totals. The front end renders this structured data, often using simple fixed width formatting to evaluate a clean receipt look. This receipt data can be stored in the user's history for future reference and customer support inquiries. To summarize, this prototype makes tasks faster, easier, and more accessible with clean design and functionality. What sets it apart is its simplicity and effectiveness across devices, focusing on security, user experience, and transaction transparency. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of this project management demo. If you have any questions or would like a live demo, please let me know. I look forward to hearing your thoughts. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.